Hello children, good morning. This is your English class for UKG. Today we will read lesson 4. The topic is E-vowel story. The word make EAT, TO2, BEAT, beat, TH the, HEAT hit, to beat the hit. SOME some, THING thing, something, COLD cold, WEV, WILL will, EAT it, something, cold, we will eat, LIKE like, COOKIES cookies, MADE made, OF off, WHEAT wheat, like cookies made of wheat, ALONG along, WITH with, COLD cold, MEAT meat, along with cold meat, wow, WOW wow, THAT that, IS is a treat, TREAT wow, that is a treat. The next word make EEN, PUSSY pussy, CAT cat, PUSSY pushy, CAT cat, pussycat, pussycat, WHERE where, HAVE have, YOUBEEN been, where have you been, IHAVE have, BEEN been, TO2 LONDON London, I have been to London, TO2 LOOK look, AT at, TH the, QUEEN queen, to look at the queen. The more words, BEAT beat, HEAT hit, MEAT meet, NEAT neat, PLEAT pleat, SEAT seat, TREAT treat, WHEAT wheat, and EEN GREEN green, SEEN seen. The next word EAR, COME come, TO2 ME me, MY my, CHILDREN children, DEAR dear. Come to me, my children dear. ILL. This is short form I will. We read I will. TELL tell, YOUASTORY story, WOULD would, YOU LIKE like, TO2 HEAR here. I will tell you a story, would you like to hear? STORY story, OF of, BIG big, FAT fat, BEAR beer, a story of a big fat bear. THE the, BEAR bear, LOVE the loved, TO2 EAT it, PEARS pears. The bear loved to eat pears. The next words make EST, on, MY my, BED bed, on my bed, ASS ILAY lay, TO2 REST rest, as I lay to rest, ISAW sha, ABIRD bird, in, TH the, WEST waist, I saw a bird in the waist, SLEEPING sleeping, in, A NEST nest, sleeping in a Nest. IS is THAT that. TH the. BELL bell. Is that the bell? OHO. IHAVE have. A GUEST guest. Oh, I have a guest. IT it. WAS watch. TH the. BIRD bird. FROM from. TH the. NEST nest. It was the bird from the nest. IASK asked. IT it. TO2. COM come. IN in. I asked it to come in. BUT but. IT it. Yes AID said. But it said. EAST east. or WEST west. East or west. HOME home. IS is. TH the. BEST best. Home is the best. More words. FEAR fear. NEAR near. REAR rear. TEAR tear. WEAR wear. BEST best. GUEST guest. NEST nest. PEST pest. REST rest. TEST test. WEST west. The next word EEP. MARY Mary. LOST lost. HER her. SHEEP sheep. Mary lost her sheep. WHEN when. SHEC. WAS watch. FAST fast. ASLEEP as leap. When she was fast asleep. DO YOU KNOW no. WHERE where. DID did. SHEC KEEP keep. Do you know where did she keep? HER her. BLACK black. AND WHITE white. SHEEP sheep. Her black and white sheep. MARY Mary. PLEASC please. DO NOT not. WEEP weep. Mary please do not weep. ICAN can. HEAR here. THEM them. BLEAT bleat. I can hear them bleat. No no. IT it. IS is. TH the. BEEP beep. OF of. ZEEP zip. No, it is the beep of a zip. More words. BEEP beep. DEEP deep. PEEP peep. ZEEP jeep. KEEP keep. SHEEP sheep. WEEP weep. Dear students, please write more words and learn in your notebook. Exercise time. Look at the pictures and tick the correct words. First picture is nose. Nose spelling NET no. NET net. NOT not. And NOSC nose. Then tick here nose. The next picture is tiger. Tiger spelling TIE no. TIGER yes. Then tick here TIGER tiger. The next figure is date. DATE date. Then tick here.